Hello, my name is David Morrison, and I'm one of the founders of hibbittsautopro.com, a free automotive repair shop management tool. Today I'm going to be going over line item notes. So on the work order, you have the ability to add line items, and now you have a new feature that allows you to add notes specific to a line item. Now I'm going to go over how to use this and give you a few tips so that you can get the most out of this. And if you have any feedback on this functionality, if it doesn't meet your needs or if it needs to be tweaked in some way, I'd love to hear from you so I can make that happen. This is a free tool, so we're not experts in automotive repair shop and how to run an automotive repair shop. We're software developers. And so we can only improve this if you give us feedback on how it's going to meet your needs. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in here. This is a open work order for a gentleman by the name of Jerry Swine for a 2020 Ford Mustang. And here is a line item for tire rotation. And we have our notes section, which is the new addition here. Right now this particular line item does not have any notes, so I'm going to click edit here, and I have a new field here that allows me to add a note. So I'm going to go ahead and say this is a test note, and you can do formatting here, so I'm just going to make the note word bold. And I've added a note to it. I can see that this particular line item has a note associated with it, denoted by this icon here. And if I want to read this note, I can check it out by clicking on that. And I can see that on September 7th, 2020, I wrote a note here. This is a test note. Now I can delete this note if I need to, or as an added benefit, I can type a second note here. So this is a second note, and this one is going to be italics. Customer specified a balance also. So each tire will need not only a rotation, but a balance. So I'm going to click add note, and it instantly adds that note there. So I have my first note, my second note, and I can again delete either of those that I need to. And I can also close this if I need to. So I can keep adding as many notes in this panel as I want. And I click close. Now, currently when you go to print or share this invoice or work order with a customer, these notes are private and not shown to the customer on any documentation. So if we need to make it so that these notes are visible, please let us know early on so that we're not so that we don't have to change this later, which could mess some people up that are relying on these notes being private. You wouldn't want to share confidential or customer specific notes accidentally if something is written there that may not be good for the customer to see. So if I go to edit this, my notes are not visible here, but I can still add a note in two places, either editing the line item or by clicking on the notes icon there. And I can still see these notes. If I want to delete both of these notes, I can go ahead and delete them and close this, and I see that the note icon is gone. That's pretty much all there is to it. I don't have anything else I can think of. So again, thank you for using our software, and we'd love to hear from you. This software is dependent upon your feedback to be improved. And yeah, from my family to yours, thank you. Have a good day.